So today I'll be doing my weekend's recap review of my Monday to Friday trading. So I'll be going over my mistakes on Sava, MRNS, KODK, 10XP, and ENSV. So from Monday to Friday, I'll be going over my mistakes. So let's see. So my first trade on Monday was on Sava. Let's go on the 5-day, 5-minute chart. So on Monday, the 14th of September, I traded along this line. Yeah, I traded along this line. And I overtraded on this line. The worst part was that I was trading against the trend. So I was buying every bounce. Yeah, I was buying every bounce off of the low, but they're like lower lows. Yeah, and so what I needed to do was to wait for reversal, a sign of reversal before I enter the higher lows. So a sign of a reversal could be a higher lows, a double bottom. Yeah, a double bottom, make a W, and then yeah, a couple handles. So yeah, I need to like focus on the bottom couple handles, or basically just a higher low when the trend is looking like an uptrend, like right here, from here to here. Even though it's an all-day mover and this was a sideway, a good entry could be like right here or right here or right here. But then over here is like a chase right now because it's looking parabolic. So right here could be one, right here could be another one, even better, right here. Risk to reward could be VWAP and then going higher. Yeah. So had to have like signs of ascending, uh, ascending trend reversal. Had to see the trend reversal, like a double bottom or a higher lows that break the descending trend. Yeah, my trade on MRNS. Right here, I traded MRNS on Tuesday when it was running. Let's see, where was it? It is not showing the trades here. About over here, 5 days. So right here, it's messy. I overtraded on this one. My mistakes on it is that I traded way too many setups, as you can see with the overtrade. I need to focus only on the double bottom or the higher lows, basically that, and then don't chase. Don't 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 aim for like a don't enter after the higher lows made it like make a breakout. That is basically like a chase overall. So that is a chase right there. Break off the high. Yeah, and then yeah, focus on ascending higher lows, and then also after double bottom confirmations of a reversal, a trend reversal break. My trade on KODK on Wednesday. Let's see now. Yeah, right here. The mistakes that I have, that I made on my first trade right here was that I chased a bounce. So once again, keys reminder to myself: don't chase the bounce, because if you chase the bounce, it's no longer a bounce play. It'll be a chase, and it could be buying at the top, selling at the bottom. Uh, I revenge traded, which lead to an overtrade, which make my losses bigger. Yeah. So what I need to do is be patient for the dip buy opportunities to come to me and wait for it to look like an ascending chart before I actually enter. And then my Thursday trade is on 10XP and ENSV. So TNXP, my TNXP trade was right here, was around here. My first trade was like around here. It was dipping. So as you can see on the 5 minute chart, it's still like a descending trend. It's still a descending trend. So my mistakes. My second trade was like on this green candle, and it made of sideways actions. So don't trade sideways because trading sideways is just basically frustration in itself. Trading is already hard enough. Don't make it harder by focusing on the sideways action. Yeah, my third trade was a breakout here. Breakout 101, so 102. So just need to focus on one pattern. Like right here, this a higher low compared to here, still like a double bottom, and then uptrend. This this is a 5 minute chart, so uptrend. Yeah, the trade on ENSV was a very nice gapper on Thursday. I overtraded on this one a bit. Yeah, I overtraded on this one. Once again, it made a double bottom. Just get out when your losses is hit. Another is trade when the opportunity is trade when the opportunity is present. Don't have FOMO. Um, don't have don't hesitate on the trade when you have a plan. So trade according to my. I need to trade according to my plan. Yeah, I need to trade according to my plan. Have a risk level. Have a target level, which is a day to one reward. Yeah, it's a 1 to 3 risk reward. So I missed a lot of opportunities here. So I need to stop hesitating when the opportunities is present. And yeah, so I over traded a bit here. Um, my trade on Friday is probably the worst one, but it's also the one that gave me the most lessons really, because it's the one where I went through like a lot of psychological, um, yeah, a lot of psychology emotions that come in with trading. Like right here, FOMO made me bought a double top, chase it, and then made me so that I did not recognize the the double top, and I bought it again after the double top was formed. It failed. So yeah, it happened. So don't buy double top. Be patient for the opportunities, like right here. So it has such a good higher lows, especially as you can see, it's also crossing the VWAP area. If we look at the 1 minute chart, at the market open, it held VWAP, even though it's a tiny dip of VWAP, it held VWAP. It go higher, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and higher lows to a move of $10, and then that's when it actually drops. So if I were to enter like right here, like around these green candles, my risk would be like down here, 882, then higher lows, yeah. But impatience made me trade pre-market, FOMO made me trade pre-market, so that's what happened. And then Kodak, my trade on Kodak, again, psychological Any problems? Traded a lower highs, not lower highs. Traded a lower lows, which is not ideal. The trend is still descending, so basically high possibility of actually cutting my losses instead of going to my targets. Yeah, as you can see, like right here, approving points of my points on buying higher lows. It's a it's a break of the trend. It's descending, and then a break of the trend when there's a higher low. People watching that, people buy it, and then it go higher, and yeah. Another is take basically sell it when my target is hit, because what I need to do is from this mistakes right here is sell when the target is hit, and then wait for another opportunity to come in to actually buy again. And yeah, and right here, I think this is a result of revenge trading, trying to make back my losses. So that's what I think that's what made me buy the very quick movers at the market open. Very quick movers. Enter without confirmation of a trend break. It made like a double bottom down here, and then it's like literally squeeze all the way up to like $12, and then make a sideways action here, just to dip, and then after all those big moves, it made some very good higher lows opportunities. So as you can see here, a double bottom, triple bottom, quadruple bottom, testing support, support held, higher lows, enter, good opportunities for a 70 cents per shares. Again, descending to descending, and then ascending, double bottom. There's like many descending, many, yeah, double bottom, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, even though it's sideways, and then selling to the target. Yeah, especially right here. This one's it's a very good move. Yeah. So focus on buying the bounce off of higher lows, risking the new low, and then constantly move the risk to the new higher lows. Yeah, constantly move the risk to the new higher lows to eventually make it so that my risk level is in the profit area. So that basically means that stress-free trade. No one to take my profits. Just sell it when my target is hit, and then wait for another opportunity to actually buy it. Don't be greedy. So yeah, a lot of mistakes last week, and hope the coming weeks I can improve. And that'll be all.